Hi class, I'm Elizabeth Grant and I am your instructor for your online public speaking class. I guess the first video didn't go very well, so I'm trying it again. I just wanted to give you the ability to put a name with a face because we're not going to see each other for a few weeks because we only meet 3 times. Everything else is done asynchronously, which means that you are going to have a unit and you're going to have deadlines and you're going to be able to work at your own pace. So this first unit is open for 2 weeks, but in the future, they're only going to be open for a week. But what you need to be doing is you need to log in tomorrow, Monday, to your Blackboard course. You need to secure a textbook. This is the hard copy. You might want to get the ebook because you have to have Launchpad access for this course. So we will be using the software from the developers and the authors of your textbook. So you'll be taking learning curves and you'll be taking quizzes each unit, sometimes a couple of chapters per unit. So it's important that you get that this first week. And so that you have access. Those grades will go directly into Blackboard. If you log in through Blackboard, don't log in through Launchpad, log in through Blackboard. It will prompt you to put in your access code. So if you have any problems with that, let me know. I have a tech help number that could help guide your way. But I wanted to help you navigate the course. So I'm going to pull up the course here and let you see what it looks like. Maybe. So hold on. This is what your course looks like, and this is a student view, I hope. And on the left are going to be your units, but what I want you to do is go to Start Here and go to the course orientation. This is what you should be doing on the first day. You should be looking at the course outline, how you're going to earn the points. You should be looking at the calendar. We do have 3 dates that you must be available through Zoom to give your speeches. It is a requirement to pass the course that you do all 3 speeches. Your quizzes are housed in the units. Actually, all your work is housed in the units. So let's go to Unit 1. If you go to the units, you're going to see that we have Unit 1 available. Now in future weeks, all the units will stay there. They will just be opened in reverse order. So you're going to see all the work that you've already done just accumulate at the bottom of this list. Here are your class dates. So we meet the first time September 14th on Zoom. The week before, I'll send you the link so that you will know how to get on. I am going to record those sessions so that you can watch yourself perform. I also wanted to let you know that there are Zoom help hours available through our Student Success Center. So we have a speech professor who works in the Student Success Center, and she will allow you to practice your speech. She will help you brainstorm for topics, anything that you want. But this is what a unit looks like. It's going to show you what you have to do in the unit at the top, and then all of the work is listed here. So these are what the learning curves are that you need the access code from the textbook. And then you're going to have to watch some things. There's going to be discussion boards. There's actually 2 discussions in this first part. You'll see one in the course orientation, and that is the get to know you discussion. And then you find that on the discussion board. And you have to answer 4 things about yourself. And then on this post, you're going to actually reply to everyone in the class. There's 15 of us. In the future, like the second discussion post in Unit 1, you're only going to have to reply to 3. So there are discussions in odd numbered units only. There are assignments and quizzes in every unit. But if you're worried that you're not doing everything, you can always shoot me an email, but you should see all the work that's due in the unit. And the deadlines will be posted on the calendar. So let's say it's speech night. You'll want to check out the rubrics for all the speeches because this is how you're going to be assessed. So I'm going to have this printed out, and this is your self-speech, which is the first speech. I've already posted mine in the announcements, so if you're interested in watching my self-speech, you can watch it. I never give you mine in hopes that yours will look like mine. But this is what the rubric looks like, so this is how I would plan my speech. For every speech, you need a typed outline uploaded to Blackboard and a visual aid. I will be timing the speeches. There's a grace period of 20 seconds over and under the 5 to 7 minute mark for your first 2 speeches, and your last speech is 7 to 10 minutes. So we will work up to that. Don't worry about hitting a 10-minute mark yet because we will work up to that together. But we're going to have a lot of fun. This is a beginning speech class, And it's just an attempt to practice your confidence and practice your skills together. And we will get better as time goes on. There's a guarantee of that hopefully this will get easier as you progress and the more attempts that you make at this. The second speech night in October, you're also going to get to do an impromptu speech. That's nothing you can plan for, but I'll be asking for topics, and we'll put topics in a hat. I'll pick 2 of them out, read them both to you. You'll have 2 minutes to prepare a 2-minute speech. So that'll be in addition to the informative speeches that night. Speech nights, we'll be on Zoom as long as it takes to get through all the speeches. So it's probably going to be 2.5 hours because we have a rather large class. So class, I'm looking forward to being your instructor in this journey together. Remember, you're not out here alone. I am an email away at eegrant@lc.edu, and it's going to be a different semester. Yours was going to be online anyway, so it's no change for you, but the Zoom meetings are different than meeting face-to-face, and I realize that. Hopefully you have less anxiety with technology. Sometimes people say, I'd rather present face-to-face, but we don't have that choice right now thanks to COVID. And we're going to make the best of this situation, and we're going to get your speech credit for you this semester. So work hard, and I look forward to being there to support you along the way.